me, Bekesa, and welcome back to my channel, the Canva Cafe. Once again, it's a voiceover, and hopefully I remember what I did as I watched this. So we're going to be making this flyer, a calendar flyer, and as you see, I was trying to use this Santa picture frame, but when I took out the background, it removes some of it. So you can always click the restore button and fix whatever was taken out, as well as me deleting my background from my photo, and it didn't delete everything I wanted, so I went back into the erase button to remove that extra image from behind. Then I just grouped my photos together and I added a blur. And the technique I use, I go to the duotone, and what I do is I copy the color in the background so my duotone can, my blur can match the background. So that's a trick if you pick one of those elements that you can't change the colors on. This is how you change the colors. Just go into the duotone and change both colors to the exact background or whatever color you want it to match to. So that's how you do that. And then I like to group everything together so that if I decide to move my photo or what have you, that the blur is still covering it and it's still intact. And here I'm just going to add another transparent, and I'm also changing it to the color of the side. And I liked it at first at the clear, but it just was making me look a little too ashy, so I changed the white in it over to red because it warmed up my look a little bit. And I duplicated it for both sides and I placed it behind the original blur. So I will narrate as I see, because like I said, I'm watching the video just like you are and trying to figure out what I did and explain it in its entirety. So here I'm going to select over under the grid section and graphs a calendar grid. And this is how you make a calendar grid really simple and easy. Let Canva do it for you. So you click on whichever one that you prefer, and if you don't find everything you need, all you have to do is just click the three little dots, and what'll happen is you can keep adding a row. And so that's what I did until I had a 7-day row. And I got rid of the color that was at the top and I made it transparent so it would disappear, and then I added a bar, as you can see, a square, and made it into a rectangle and changed the color. And this tutorial is going so fast I can't even keep up. And then anyway, you can watch and see what I did. I just got a bunch of elements and I'm just adding them to the design and shrinking them so that they can fit. You know, I sped this up so y'all wouldn't be here all day, but I didn't realize how hard it was gonna be to narrate over the design. So most of it is just you can look and see. But like I said, with that calendar graph, all you do is click it from the side. And if you need more columns, all you do is click the three dots and it'll allow you to add more columns to make your calendar bigger and bigger. And here I'm just putting a black circle behind the gold elements to make them pop a little bit more, so that it can be seen, and I'm just placing them behind. And now I'm adding a grid, and I'm shrinking it into the little Santa's hand because I'm gonna pop a video in here of supposedly the hair service that you are gonna be booking for. And I decided to put it up in the corner, and then I'm gonna show you after I add all these little extra little elements. You add whatever you want to, and then I'm gonna play the video so you can see how it'll play on your Instagram or wherever you gonna post it. It'll have the little video in the hand just going so people could see. Here I'm just adding some snow, and I searched realistic snow. I found one I liked, and then I didn't like it, and then I went back in to find a picture with some snow, and I right here, and then I deleted the background and I just put it to the bottom, and I added some shadows to it, and I just duplicated it again and line it up, and I pull it a little bit down so it's not taking over the photo. And right here I'm just tidying up everything and just arranging things to my liking. You can do the same, and this is what it looks like when I hit play, and you see the little video in the corner. So it'd be really cool for you to add whatever your service is, so people could actually see you at work, or see the final results of whatever they're booking for, whether it be makeup or whatever. And then of course I thought it was still a little bit boring, so I went and got a gold element, and I'm just going to line it up within the calendar, and you can see what I'm doing right here, just because I wanted to jazz it up a little, child. I'm extra. So, and this calendar is cute for maybe a countdown calendar. Every day you can count down and just put a different box, click off a different box on it to post on your social media. And I really hope this video is helpful. Let me know if I was going too fast, if you need another video like this, or if you like when I have the other tutorials that take like 30 minutes. But I just want you to be able to pop in here and see and get on with your life. So, and if you also want to, you can always book a one-on-one with me, and we work through a Zoom where you can share your screen, I share mine, and I can help you with your design. My information's down at the bottom. And also I used a lot of Canva Pro elements, and if you need to try Canva Pro free for 30 days, I also have a link down at the bottom. But thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and leave in the comment section other videos you would love for me to make. Thank you. Love you.